So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Soham. You are watching Soham Tiger channel. In today's video, we are going to make a business card like this one. So in today's video, we are making business card like this one, and let's begin with the intro. Fast forward this video. So before that, I am showing you some steps for making this type of business card in CorelDraw software. Okay, let's go to plus icon. Okay, otherwise you have to go to this one and then click on it and select this one as business card. Otherwise you can resize this as your width and height. So you have to put 3.5 and here 2. Okay, then it will be selected as business card. Okay, and then okay, click on okay. Okay, so now we have set the business card's background length and width, and now we are going to move this one to here. Shift F4 and let's put it here, make it small, and here. Shift F4 again. So now I am starting to make this business card. So I am putting this here and making the business card here. So let's start.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
invincible.
So guys, we have done with our business card. So I have changed this business card a bit. Let me unlock this. Done. So I have created the business card like this, but by my own. So you can see this location sign is not like this. My art skill is sometimes low. So you can see this, and here there is change because there is triangle and there is a line here. So you can do this also. So you can go to shape tool, make it here, and done. You have to make this like only okay, then here and drag out upside. So you can make like this one also, but I like this as this. So I have applied here a gradient, make the sign, and I have created a custom logo. And here this is a template business card. You can make a business card like this, and if you want to make if you don't want to make a business card, so you can tell me that I can design a business card for you, but payment also have to be given. So now I am going to show you some of my business card. So guys, this is one of my business card which I have made. If you want to get a business card like this, so this is the backward side and this is front side. You can put any side for frontward and backward. So this is a two-sided business card, and this was a one-sided business card. So I can make both of each of them. So if you want to make a business card from me with like this, I made that business card in 5 minutes. So it is not so much nice. And this is my final business card. This is the right business card, and I like this so much. If you want to make business card from me, you can buy that. I can put the links in description below. So go to the I am going to tell you that how to buy the business card and other stuff from my website. Or link should be given in the description. Go to show more and click on this one, Fiverr link. Click on this one, and you will go to this one, and here is my site to buy a stuff. You can make a e-commerce website from me, and you can buy a visiting card from me also, starting at $10. So go to here, and there will be this pop-up. So you can sometimes customize this. There are some plans here. So select the plan, continue, and then continue to check out, and you can order this from me also. So that is for today's video. I will meet you in next video. So bye bye.